Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you an easy way to hang a picture on your wall without nails or drilling. I recently moved to Canada and wanted to decorate my home. Yet, since Canadian homes are often composed of wood, it is exceedingly challenging to locate the stud in order to nail things to the wall because the walls are hollow within. Even adding nails to an ordinary wall is the last thing that we want to do. So, I found an easy and cheap solution to this. Those are these 3M stickers. You can easily find these stickers at Walmart, Canadian Tire, or online at Amazon. Before purchasing these stickers, you have to focus on two things. The first is your frame's weight, and the second is the design of your frame. I purchased this large canvas hanger from 3M Command in Canadian Tire to hang my canvas painting. As you can see, this sticker allows you to hang up to 3 kg and the dimension of the frame is also mentioned. With this, I have also bought this 16 by 24 IKEA Riba frame which matches to the poster that I want to hang, and I bought this poster from Amazon. I just wanted to show you my poster. It's pretty, isn't it? It was more expensive to buy a frame painting, so I found this to be the cheaper route. As you can see, the back of my frame is raised by 2 inches, which is making this 3M sticker seem like the ideal choice for hanging. You see, the wall behind me looks empty, isn't it? So let's get started. This sticker comes with this two parts. The one is the basically strips that we use to stick it on the wall, and the another one is the hanger. And it comes with the manual. You can see the manual is written here that you can use and try to do as it is. So I'm going to open it. As you can see, there's two parts. This is the strips and this is the hanger. Now you can see in this you have this red part and this black part. So this red one is going to be stick on this hanger, and this black, as you can see, it's written wall. It's going to be stick on the wall. So in the last step, we measured our wall and we decided this point where we are going to hang the painting. So as per the manual, the first step is to clean that area with the help of alcohol. So I'm going to do that. So once you have nicely cleaned that, now we are going to stick that hanger with the help of this stickers. You can see they have given us the two stickers. One is the spare one which you can use later on if you want. I'm going to use this one. So first I'll remove this red part, as you can see. And I'll stick in this part here. Now after sticking this on this hanger, the next step that we have to pull this black label and we have to we have to try to stick it on the wall, the place that we have decided. Now the thing is, once you are placing it to the wall, you have to wait for 30 seconds. So I have already set the timer for 30 seconds. My husband is going to play it for me. So the timer I am following, and I'm holding it and I'm keep pressing it nicely for 30 seconds. So my 30 seconds are over, and now we have to wait for like an hour, and after 1 hour only we have to hang the painting there. So now it's an hour, so I'm going to hang this frame there. Let's see. And it's done. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Do let me know if you have any questions or thoughts in the comment section. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you and take care.